Gosh, I'm looking for a place to put Pop's home, the place that he'll go to when he pulls into the forest. Now, he is originally was originally drawn to the forest for the first time because it reminds him of being human. So what I need is there's definitely poison ivy in here. I'm thinking about getting a pair of snake socks or something, or inventing them, maybe Kevlar or something, but wow. I came in here and shot a video and it was really not this overgrown, and now I'm worried that I'm going to be walking in poison ivy the whole time. So anyways, I need some type of metal container. This is where the deer come by here. This is the path where the deer walk. I know it doesn't look like much, but they come from over in that barn. Really looking down to make sure I'm not stepping in poison ivy. The next time I come here, I'm going to be wearing pants, and there's definitely going to be a snake in here. What I'm looking for is something to put that he drives his car in. Something that's big enough, like that oil thing over there. Gosh, I wish I would have worn pants. But anyways, I kind of wonder what this dump site, how old this dump site is. Like, I know that it originally contained regular trash. Wait a second. So there's a big oil drum over there. Anything that I pull up could have a snake under it. Like, there's a tire there. All that's left from this dump site is metal. I need a place that he pulls into. Gosh, like, you always wondered on a path, like, hey, did someone spray for poison ivy? That does not happen in here, but I think I got it one time. So that oil drum is something I'm really interested in, but I know for a fact there's poison ivy down there. But crap, you only live once. So I'm trying to step down, but next time I'm wearing pants. Here's a jar from 1946. Man, does that looks like some old stuff. Any moment I'm gonna pull up, there's gonna be a copperhead underneath this stuff. Yep, everything's rusted out. So that's an old pipe. These are all things. So I'm interested in this right here. And I know someone online is gonna say poison sumac or something, but I'm interested in that. But I think there's another one that's on the path I was at yesterday. I'm interested in that one. All of this interests me. Every single part of it. That oil drum I'm interested in, but what would it be like to get it? Wait a second. This is actually happening. This is actually happening. Like, I'm gonna get tetanus. Luckily, I got my tetanus shot. So this would be an interesting house. Gosh, that's the thorniest bush ever. So I got two places. This one and this one is gonna be Pop's house.